Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And today guys, nandito naman tayo sa school ng anak ko. Pick up natin siya dahil early out kasi. So 9:25 ang out niya. So 1 o'clock nandito na ako, nagwi-waiting. So first time ko yung ako lang nag-isa nag-drive guys. First time for the new drivers na mayroon akong license dito sa Amerika. So si daddy doon lang sa bahay dahil mayroong appointment kasi sa doorbell na i-install ngayon. So ako na lang nagkukuha. That's why ako na lang isa nag-drive dito. So maghintay tayo ni RJ. Lapit na siya mag-out guys. So ang kasama ko ang aking backpack. Yun. Walang tao, ako na lang dito isa. Naghihintay kang RJ. At saka nandoon ang school. Taas ng pila. Mamaya double ng pila dito. Yan. Ang school ni RJ, mayroon nang lumalabas doon, oh. Yan. Oh, parang mayroong teacher doon. Naglalaro sila, mga bata. So, yan ang ako pumunta dito guys dahil kapag late na, hindi ka na makaparking dito dahil ang daming mga sakyanan. Gusto ko dito magparking dahil mayroong shed at saka malapit lang ka RG kapag mag-out siya sa school. Nakita ko siya dayon kapag out na siya doon. Sa door na sa side door. Si RG mayroong dalang cake dahil project kasi nila. Kahapon namin binili. At saka sabi niya pagkatapos ng kanilang project, dala na naman nila pa uwi yung cake. Hindi ko alam kung anong mga decoration ang nilagay sa kanilang cake. Dahil plain kasi ang gusto ng teacher. So, let's see mamaya kung anong itsura ng cake ni RJ. Ang design sa kanyang cake is State of Utah. Yan ang kanyang project. But tingnan natin mamaya kung ano nang itsura. Yan guys, oh. Line up na, double line na dito. At saka today, medyo malamig today. Yan, mga parents, naghintay na sila. Yan ang line up guys here. Ang taas na ang line. Guys, out ng mga bata, oh. Ang dami na nila. Nag-out si RJ, wala pa. Go, there's RJ. He's bringing his cake. It's RJ. Ang dala ni RJ ang kanyang cake. Yan. It's RJ. Ooh. What's look like now, RJ? Oh, it's cool. Look at that.
The second time today.
Oh, nice. Let me see, RJ. Show mommy. Your cake, what the design now? What's the style now in there? What's in that? Here's the cake, RJ. Design. Yeah, you cannot see, RJ. Ooh, wow. Wow, look at that. It's so cool.
I killed 2 bears. I just put a flag.
Nice, huh? Wow.
Gummy.
Who designed that?
Me.
Really?
You want this gummy?
No, I'm not.
Why?
So sweet.
It's okay, just one.
Okay. Thank you. Wow. Look at that. Very good, RJ.
Use cereal. This
Yeah.
is cereal for the mountains.
Wow.
Great Salt Lake.
What do you think?
Utah Lake.
What do you think to the teacher?
Teacher couldn't see.
Huh?
Teacher didn't see.
Really? Why? Who?
She was like,
What?
she was like, she wasn't feeling good
Mm.
at all.
Mm-mm.
Every single day.
Mm-mm. Okay.
And but a lot of sprinkles and sprinkles, the new thing.
Yeah, be careful.
I'll go right back to the house, right back.
Okay, we go now. Okay, let's go.
I'm driving alone.
Yep, I'm first time today.
Oh, not the first. Oh, there's Maya. Okay.
Okay guys, we here now in the house guys. So, nakita ninyo ang cake ni RJ. It's nice. Mayroong decoration na. Nandito na ang tao nga mag-install. So, tingnan natin guys kung anong resulta na mayroon na ba o wala. Ayan guys, the Geek Squad in Best Buy. Ayan. Mayroong Geek Squad dito. Here's RJ. Yeah, my first trip. I made it. Here's Daddy. Here's RJ. Okay.
Be at your house. It could be in Europe. You push this
Ding dong, RJ. Here's ding dong.
So the teacher couldn't see it.
Yup.
Doesn't feel good.
She's not feel good.
Great.
The
She said
teacher.
Yeah, our time was like this.
There he is. Ding dong.
It's like-
Almost done, RJ.
What?
She could see like this.
So, ito ang aming backyard, guys. So, ayan, maliit lang ang aming backyard. Yan. Yan ang aking garden. Wala nang mais doon, no? mayroong 8 natira. Maliit na lang ang mais. At saka tomato, 2. Kamatis. Ayan, guys. Magandang araw today, guys. Yan. Mayroong araw na. Yan. Yan ang view ng bukid dito, guys, sa Utah. Yan. Dito ang aking tinanim before, guys, na apple. Namamatay siya dahil aking i-transfer dito. Namamatay, pero ang iba buhay naman. Yan. Parang dito siya, mga branches niya, mga sanga-sanga. Yan, namamatay. Yan, very delicious to mga apple, guys. Very delicious ang tamis ng very delicious na apple. Ito, oh. Ito, noon dito to siya, and then transfer ko doon. Yan, namamatay siya dahil ang init. Pero dito, mayroong nabuhay dahil mayroong gamot siya na tira. Yan. At ito, wala na ako gi-transfer dahil para may 2 doon. Para straight doon. Oh. Ayan. Yan ang aking garden, guys. Oh. Garden. Wala nang mais. Oh, mayroong mais ito. Yan na lang natirang mais ko. Saka yan, mayroon akong sibuyas bombay, sibuyas dahon, at saka awos, garlic. Yan. Ayan. Dito lagyan namin ng ground cover para walang mga sagbot dito.
Connect
be able to see this camera through those. So all you gotta do is just download the Ring app and then just log in with the same credentials that you put into this. That's all it requires. Super easy.
And now guys, we have a CCTV now. It's working, RJ. You try doorbell, RJ. Doorbell. Here is RJ.
Go get the camera. It's still here.
You try, RJ.
I'll get you.
Come here, RJ. We have CCTV now. But only one camera, guys. Dahil ang mahal ng camera. Yan. There you go. You try again, RJ. Try again. Doorbell.
Hello.
Can you hear me? Touching the TV?
Yes.
Here's RJ. The doorbell. Ring doorbell. Yan, guys.
It only works so.
Na-install na ang doorbell.
So now the doorbell's correct. Wow.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Hello. I'm being recorded?
Yeah. You record you.
I went to Amazon. You ordered 17 doorknobs. Would you like them? What? Okay. Hello, I'm from Amazon. I got a package. Help your monster truck building set bone shaker monster truck. Would you like it? Okay.
Hi guys, I want to show you my editing station. Here is a small table. Yan ang lamisa, ang liit.
Who wants this
Yan.
cake?
And RJ, yan ang kanyang cake.
Don't bring any more cake in the room.
Na state of Utah cake. Yan. Si RJ. You eat, RJ. Wait, you not want to eat no more. So sweet.
No,
Here
mommy.
is the state of Utah. Here it is. You read all the name, RJ. Was
No.
that Bear Lake?
No.
Wasas Mountain, Red Salt Lake, and have a fish.
Cake. Because I took off the fish.
Mm-mm.
Took this with it. Took
Yeah.
the river. Took the river. There's no river.
Take
There
off
used
the
to be a river.
No more blow
There used to
now.
be a big river here. Put the fish back there. You see some of the river. They take it off and nothing.
Uh-oh. There he is. Have fish in the river.
Yep. Here's the mountain.
So guys, that's it for today, guys. Simpleng video. Live Pinay sa Amerika. Ito. Ayan guys. So, I hope you enjoy it, guys. Kung bago pa kayo dito, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time, guys. Bye-bye for now.